Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create an instance in AWS and how to create S3 bucket and all VPCs and subnets. First of all, you have to create a VPC. For that, search here VPC and open it. Mm, you can create anywhere in the world the VPCs. Here are the lists you have to create. In which region do you want to? I have to create an invite, so I click it. It should open it in the box. And now, first of all, create subnets. Go for the subnets and click on the create. Select VPC. Here, for every data center, it has a default VPC ID. You can use it to create your subnets. Uh, Setup name, setup IP addresses 172.3.0.0 plus 20. Leave everything as it is. Now, click on the create. It created. A subnet was created. Now, with this EPC, we can launch instances. Now go for search and click and type instance. For instances, you should go for EC2 and check out the region, guys. Specifically, you have in which region you have created a subnet. That should be your instance location. Go for instances and click launch instance. Name the instance as a support schedule. And here are the main tasks. For any data center, you should have some operating systems. Here are the list of them. You can select any of it, but careful while using them. For now, I have to select Ubuntu. Here are the list of kernels available in Ubuntu. Go for the previous versions because every new versions may have some bugs. Select anything that you are eligible. Confirm. Click on confirm. Go for the previous versions that are you are eligible. Here are the eligible lists. Click on anything that you are eligible for. Click it. Confirm it to load it. And then you have to select the instance type. Example 2322. There are several many instances. For now, free eligible or T3 only, T3 micro, and select it. Here, key pair for logging in your IPs. You have to create a new key pair, select say leave as it is, and just you have to put your name of the instance or anything. Click on the create key pair and it will automatically download it. Here you have to select the key pair and leave remaining as is. Click on the launch instance. It will create an instance for you. This is the procedure to create an instance. Now you can check whether your instance is running or not. Okay, by clicking instance, going to EC2, click on the instances. Yes, here are the instances that are running. You can check for everything here. And now coming to S3 bucket creation, you go for it and search S3. You can have the list. Here is a hmm, click on create bucket. You should name your bucket as you can as this sports scheduler. I see. First bucket 01 and leave the remaining as it is. Here is the versions and leave the remaining create bucket. Yes, you can create here. Bucket is created. Here you can upload anything from your PC or maybe in your database. It's like a database to for your website or a app forever. Here you can click to add files. You can upload them by selecting select them and click here upload and it will upload here. Now all the things are uploaded here. You can see 80% completed. Wait a sec. Now just the upload status is completed. So close it and check whether what are the things that you have not uploaded. Uh, this is the demonstration of these three creations and thank you for watching.